The southern flannel moth, scientifically known as Megalopyge opercularis, is a fascinating and medically significant insect. The adult southern flannel moth is an attractive, small moth characterized by a thick coating of fur-like scales on its body and wings. This fluffy appearance is where it gets its common name, flannel moth. Adults are predominantly orange on the thorax and grayed to a paler beige towards the rear. Their legs are black and hairy. The larval stage of the southern flannel moth is called the puss caterpillar. It is one of the most venomous caterpillars in the United States. The puss caterpillar's dense covering of fine gray or tan hairs makes it resemble a teardrop-shaped tuft of cotton or fur, often compared to a Persian cat. The name, puss caterpillar, likely refers to this resemblance to a cat. They can reach about 1.5 inches in length. Their color can vary, from grayish-white to golden brown to dark charcoal gray, and they may have a streak of bright orange running along their back. Like other moths, the southern flannel moth undergoes complete metamorphosis, which includes the egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, cocoon, and adult stages. The southern flannel moth is typically bivoltine, having 2 broods per year, with a possibility of a partial third brood in warmer climates. Females lay their eggs in rows or clusters on foliage or small twigs and cover them with hairs from their abdomen. Eggs hatch in about 6 to 8 days. Puss caterpillars feed on the leaves of a variety of deciduous trees and shrubs, including oaks, elms, and hackberry. Mature larvae spin a tough cocoon, often on twigs or branches of the host plant. The cocoon has a distinctive operculum, a lid or trapdoor, for the adult to emerge. Fall generation individuals overwinter as prepupae within the cocoon and pupate in the spring. Adult moths emerge from the cocoon in late spring or early summer. They typically mate the night of emergence and females lay eggs soon after. Adult moths have reduced mouthparts and likely do not feed. The southern flannel moth is found in the eastern and Gulf coastal plains of the United States, from New Jersey to Florida and west to Arkansas and Texas, and also in parts of Mexico and Central America. They inhabit various habitats, including deciduous forests and adjacent areas. They are often found on oak, elm, hackberry, and other trees and shrubs. The puss caterpillar is known for its painful sting caused by the venomous spines hidden beneath its soft hairs. Even slight contact can cause the spines to break off and inject venom. Symptoms of a sting can range from localized pain and swelling to more severe reactions, including burning, headache, nausea, abdominal pain, rashes, blisters, and in rare cases, difficulty breathing or anaphylaxis. The pain has been described as intense, radiating, and similar to a broken bone or blunt force trauma. Recommended treatments for puss caterpillar stings include removing embedded spines with tape, washing the sting area with soap and water, applying an ice pack to reduce swelling and pain, applying a baking soda paste, applying hydrocortisone cream to relieve itching and inflammation, seeking medical attention for severe reactions or if symptoms worsen. Puss caterpillars are preyed upon by various insects, including green lacewings and parasitic insects like taconid flies and wasps. Taconid flies lay their eggs on the caterpillars, and the larvae consume the pupae inside the cocoons. Wasps can bore into cocoons and lay their eggs inside. Puss caterpillars have behaviors that help them avoid predators and parasitoids, such as eating their shed skin and propelling their fecal pellets away from their feeding site. In summary, the southern flannel moth is a fascinating insect with a distinct appearance in both its adult and larval stages. Its puss caterpillar is particularly well known for its venomous spines and the severe reactions they can cause in humans. While beautiful and interesting, it's crucial to be cautious and avoid touching the puss caterpillar to prevent painful stings. The southern flannel moth, Megalopyge opercularis, was first described by J. E. Smith in 1797 as Phalaena opercularis. It has a history of being a nuisance due to its larvae puss caterpillars stinging when touched.